Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021. Caption News on Buehler Schurler at Rupshi Flour Mills, Bangladesh.
Considered around the world, the feed mill market in Turkey.
Buehler and Balaguer signed collaboration agreement for design and supply of high-quality smart rolls and services for grain processing.
Balaguer Rolls is proud to announce the launch of Kronos.
First shipment of foodstuffs went to India by sea.
Space 2021 remains mobilized.
Could expanding ISPO certification be a global solution to Indonesia's palm oil dilemma?
New possibilities have emerged in the transportation of containers on domestic ships.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Space 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Tech is Tan Bull, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.